How to remove saved pins on Pinterest. So go ahead and open your Pinterest application. Once you're in the home page, click on the profile icon. It's on the lower right corner of the screen. This will direct you to your profile tab where you'll be able to see your pins. Now click on all pins. Long press on the pin that you want to delete. Now this additional menu option will show as you are holding the pin. What we want to do is to hover on the pencil icon to select the edit pin. Click on that, and in here the delete this pin button is available. So simply tap on that. On this window below, just confirm by tapping on the delete button and the pin will be deleted. Now if you want to do this on a saved board, open that specific board, click on the three lines icon found in the upper right corner of the screen, choose edit board. In here, scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on delete board. So that is how to remove saved pins on Pinterest. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.